Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this procedure safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Most dishwasher repairs will require some disassembly of the appliance. Before you attempt this, you should turn off the power supply to your dishwasher. To access components inside the control panel, use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the control panel assembly to the door. Because the outer door panel is sharp, be careful not to put stress on the wiring. If you need to replace the control board, unthread the screws securing the control board cover. Depress the catch to detach the cover. Note the orientation of the wire connectors, then disconnect them from the board. Disconnect the ribbon connector as well. Unthread the screws securing the control board. Remove the board. Install the new control board by positioning it in the control panel. Then thread and tighten the screws to secure. Connect the ribbon connector, along with the other wire connectors. Align the cover and snap it into place. Replace the screws. Reposition the control panel assembly on the door and secure it with the mounting screws. To fully remove the upper dish rack, use a small flathead screwdriver to release the retaining tabs on the front dish rack stop clips, and remove both clips. You can now slide out the dish rack assembly. To fully remove a roller support, detach the rear stop clip from the appropriate support, and you can slide the support out. If you need to replace a support roller, use a T25 Torx bit to unthread the mounting screw. Use pliers to help detach the washer so you can fully remove the screw. Install the new roller by inserting the screw and sliding on the washer. Now align the roller on the inner liner. Then thread and tighten the screw to secure. Slide the support in. Then reposition the rear stop clip and snap it closed. Realign the dish rack on the roller supports and slide it back. Reinstall the front stop clips. Confirm that the rack moves freely. To access components like the float switch, drain pump, and high-limit thermostat, use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the mounting screws, securing the lower access panels. Set both panels aside. To fully remove the heating element, reach under the dishwasher and disconnect the heating element wires. Using a 1/2-inch wrench, unthread the nuts securing the heating element. Slide out the lower dish rack and detach the lower wash arm assembly. You can now lift the heating element terminals out of the tub base and detach the element from the brackets. Replace or reinstall the heating element by securing it in the brackets. Then insert the terminals into the holes in the tub base. Realign the lower wash arm assembly and snap it onto the support. Replace the lower dish rack. Thread and tighten the nuts to secure the heating element terminals. Connect the wires to the terminals. To replace components like the door hinges, thermistor, or circulation pump, you will need to fully uninstall the dishwasher. Before you attempt this, confirm that the power is shut off and close the water supply valve. Using a 5/8-inch wrench or an adjustable wrench, unthread the water supply line from the inlet valve fitting. Be prepared for some water to spill. Next, unthread the screw to release the electric cover. Note the orientation of the power wires, then untwist the wire nuts to disconnect the wires. Unthread the screw to release the grounding wire. Now unthread the strain relief nut and detach the strain relief and power wires from the bracket. Next, disconnect the drain hose from the sink drain or garbage disposer and feed it through the cabinet. Open the dishwasher door and unthread the mounting bracket screws. To move the dishwasher, you may need to adjust the legs to lower the appliance. Now carefully pull the dishwasher out of the cabinet. If you need to replace the circulation pump, tip the dishwasher back and rest the tub on a towel or blanket. Disconnect the circulation pump wire connector. Use a T20 Torx bit to unthread the 2 screws, securing the pump retaining bracket. Remove the bracket. You can now pull the circulation pump free of the sump. Replace or reinstall the pump by aligning it in the sump and pushing it firmly into place. Replace the retaining bracket and secure it with the screws. Connect the wire connector. To reinstall the dishwasher, return the appliance to its upright position. Make sure the end of the drain hose is accessible through the cabinet wall. Then gently slide the dishwasher back into the cabinet. Adjust the leveling legs if necessary. Replace the screws to secure the mounting brackets to the cabinet or countertop. Feed the drain hose through the cabinet and connect it to the sink drain or garbage disposer. Make sure the hose is elevated above the connection point. Fully position the wires and strain relief in the bracket. Then thread and tighten the strain relief nut. Secure the grounding wire with the screw. Join the black wires together and the white wires together and secure them with the wire nuts. Replace the electric cover and secure it with the screw. Reconnect the water supply line to the inlet valve fitting. Realign both lower access panels and replace the screws to secure. With the appliance fully reinstalled, turn the water supply back on, as well as the power, and your dishwasher should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.